In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to get a Gmail API key. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to console.cloud.google.com like you usually would. Then from here it should look something like this. And now from here you'll need to go up and get an organization by clicking on this organization up here and then click create a new organization. From here you can just click a demo or a project name. You can choose the organization for it and the parent resource. And from here, you simply need to click create. Once I'm here, it should bring something like this where you can see up here in the notification that the demo project will be appearing, and you can select the project by clicking select project right there. Once you're inside of that, it should bring something like this. And now from here, you'll need to go over to the menu over here in the navigation menu and go down to APIs and services. From here, you'll need to go down to OAuth consent screens. And from here, it should bring something like this where you can see that you'll need to add a Google Auth platform not configured yet, and you'll just need to click get started. Once from here, it should look something like this where you'll be able to add app information where you can enter in your app information and a user supported email. It will make sure that you've chosen your own personal email for this right here, or else it will not work for the OAuth 2.0. From here, you'll be able to add in your audience, either external or internal, and you can choose between one of these two if you want to do that. Click next, and then from here, the contact information, where you'll need to add in your email address again. Once you click next there, you'll need to go to finish and click I agree to the Google API Services user data policy. From here, you'll simply need to click continue and click create. Once from here, it should bring something like this where you can see the metrics over here, and you'll simply need to go over and click create OAuth client. Once you've done that, it should bring something like this where you can add the application type, where it will add the web application or any of these other ones. Personally, I'll just choose the web application, and you can add a name for this specific application right here. And down here, you'll also be able to add the auth JavaScript origins and authorized redirect URLs. From here, you'll simply need to click add URL and then paste in the specific URL that you want to connect to your OAuth client. That can be either render.com if you're using N8, or I'm pretty sure make.com also has their own. But from here, you'll simply need to click that in and click create. Once from here, you'll be able to see the client ID, and you'll need to save this or download it as a JSON file because you will eventually need it again, potentially. Just click OK, and from here you'll be able to see the web client 1 is over here, where you can also see your client ID. Once from here, you'll need to go up to the search bar and click in Gmail like so. And then from here, the top result should be Gmail API. And once you click on that, it should look something like this, where you can click enable. And once you click enable, it'll take approximately a couple of minutes to do, depending on how fast Google Cloud and your internet is. But it should look something like this. Now from here, once you have done this, it should look something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go back to the navigation menu, and then from here, you'll need to go over to the APIs and services and go down to credentials. From here, you'll need to go up to where it says create credential and then create a new API key. Once from here, you'll be able to add the name of the specific API key, and from here, you'll need to select the API restrictions, where you'll need to find the Gmail right there, API, and click OK. From here, you can see that selected APIs is Gmail API, and you can click authenticate API calls through service account if you want to do that. Once from here, you can either add the application restrictions if you want to do that, but simply click create, and then your API key will be visible. As you can see right here, this is my API key for this Gmail. From here, you can just copy it to clipboard and then paste it over to N8N or any other project that you need the Gmail API key for. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!